Today, I wanted to walk you through a more advanced and technical LinkedIn marketing strategy. And this is appropriate if you're ever looking to win a very specific contract. You might be looking to break into government work, or there's a very specific business or company that you want as a client. How do you increase or enhance your chances of working with that department or with that client? And we have some of our clients that we work with that do come to us and say we're after this specific outcome with this contract or with this particular business, and this is how we approach it, which is different to if you've just got a more generic, broader stroke marketing strategy. So I'm going to use a hypothetical example just to run you through what to do in the steps. So I'm going to use BHP. In this example, they're a mining and metals company, and like I said, this is all hypothetical scenarios. So I bring up the company search. Now, to do what I'm doing here, you'll need a Sales Navigator account with LinkedIn. If you haven't got one, you can jump on a free trial and test it out for 30 days. If you've already got one, you can dive straight into this strategy. You'll see on their company profile that there's a People tab, so you can click on that. Then if we scroll down, you'll see there's Decision Makers. And if you click on View, it opens these decision makers up in the Sales Navigator tool. And let's say hypothetically there was your business has sustainability solutions, which one of my clients does. So I'll use it in this example, and there was some sort of contract or project, or they just wanted this BHP as one of their clients. What I could do here is first of all focus on the geography, where that project, where that contract, or where you're going to have the best shot at getting in with this business is. So let's use Melbourne, just because that's my a city in this example. And what you can do is come to keywords and you could type in sustainability, hit enter, and you will bring up the results of everyone that's got a role to do with sustainability in Melbourne. So we've got 23 results. You can see Fiona, Ingrid, working with sustainability, climate change, innovation, sustainability standards. So if you have a product or solution in this hypothetical example that helps enhance a company's sustainability goals or outcomes, then these are the people that you'd want to connect with. So what I would do is anyone that's a relevant decision maker would go through and actually invite them to connect. The difference is when we make contact with them, which we'll do with a message when they add to our network, is I'll actually mention each person that in their department, in the company that we're also contacting. So it might be, say, hi Fiona, it's great to connect. I'm reaching out to yourself, Ingrid, Paige, let's say Ali as an example, their full names, so she can pick up that, hey, we've also messaged these specific people that they most likely know inside the company, and then we'll go into whatever our proposition is. So whatever outcome, solution, conversation, agenda, offer, whatever it is from there. So by mentioning other people inside the company that they know in the message, what it does is it gets a much higher response rate, because they can tell that it's not just generic, you've actually thought this out and you know people inside the company and are doing something more deliberately. So by citing other people inside the business that they probably have a relationship with, often gets a very high response rate. We did this on Friday. We reached out to 3 specific people in a very specific business and did this with all 3 of them, and 2 of them came straight back within an hour and actually opened up that door for the client. So that's just a more technical and advanced way if you ever want to pursue a specific contract, project, or a client that you really want to work with, by giving a much higher chance of opening up that door, is by citing various people that you're also reaching out to in the company, rather than just reaching out to Fiona and saying, hey Fiona, then reaching out to Ingrid and not citing. They'll just say, oh, did so-and-so, yeah, they contacted me too. Actually mention that you are contacting all of them via LinkedIn, and that has proven to be a very successful strategy. So if you like that, or you have any questions or need any help with it, put them in the comments below. Smash the like button if this was helpful, because this can be one of those strategies that opens up massive contract and business opportunities for you. I've had clients break into government contracts, which is huge, through this type of strategy. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these strategies and tutorials on LinkedIn and how to grow your business. Once again, thanks for watching, and we really hope you enjoyed this tutorial.